Hello, Year 3.
So today I'm going to show you how you can make some salt dough. So here are the instructions. I'm going to take a picture and put them on the webpage for you anyway. But I thought I'd show you because there's only 6 steps, which really is. But you do need an adult to help you with this because we're using the oven and obviously they can be unsafe and really hot. We don't want them to burn themselves. So you do need an adult to help you. Now then, here I've got the recipe to make 1 ball of salt dough. So I'm going to show you also because you might decide that 1 ball's not enough, or you might have a sibling or a cousin or someone that also wants to make some. So to make 1 ball, you need 250 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of salt, and 125 millilitres of water. Obviously, when you make 2, you would just double it. So those are your double recipes. Now then, next week in maths, we're going to be starting to learn a little bit about masses and how we weigh things. So I thought I'd break it down for you quickly while we're going to make them, and that should help us next week. So we weigh things with a map like this. So this is my white flour, and it comes in a really big bag. Now at the bottom, it's more than I wanted, but this is so if we're measuring something like this, we'd weigh it in grams or kilograms. So grams is when something is quite small, kilograms is when there's more of it. So here, 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Okay, it's a bit like when we're doing our tens and hundreds and thousands things. It's exactly the same thing. So we're going back to our fractions now. Half a kilogram is 500 grams. Okay, you can then use this to work out your quarter and your 3/4. So a quarter of a kilogram is 250 grams. And if you needed 3/4 of a kilogram, it'd be 750 grams. So these are your kind of 4 key grams facts that you should know. Okay, so this is how we would measure things like our flour and our salt. Then we're also using water, but we don't measure water or liquids in grams. Okay, we measure them in litres, which if you look at your water bottles, they come like this, don't they? This is quite a big one, so this is 1 litre. So it's quite big. But if you had a small one, often your water bottles are 500 millilitres. Okay, so millilitres are like your grams, they're the small ones. And then when it gets bigger, you've got your kilograms and your litre. Okay, so 1,000 millilitres equals 1 litre. 750 millilitres equals 3/4 of a litre. 500 millilitres is half a litre. And 250 millilitres is a quarter. Now then, we're not using quarters for making just 1 ball. We're using 125, so that would be 1/8. All right, so I thought I'd just show you all this, and hopefully you can have a think about it. And maybe if you're making recipes over the next week or so, you can have a think about it before we start learning about it in maths.